Hey y'all, how you doing today? This is Kilo Uniform 4 Sierra Mike Charlie, or KU4SMC, or KVUSMC. Today we're working on a Sony 50-inch BRAVIA 3 50-inch TV, and we got it backwards on the couch to protect it. We're getting ready to put our mounts on. We already got our wall mount up. That's a Sanus wall mount. We got everything good to go, everything plumb, which means level, or dead, like tree nut or dead nut is another term for plumb. That means dead, bubble in the middle of your level. All right, but we got to take these little screws up, what it said in the instructions. And y'all, I mean, nothing comes with instructions anymore. So we got to take these out. These 4 screws. Let me see what this looks like. It's got a washer on it and all that good stuff. Man, they're small. Woo. Get my Leatherman out. So anyway, always carry one of these, y'all. Or a Gerber or anything. But here's a little screws that got to come out before you can put your mount on. Alright, so I'm not going to bore you. I'm just going to take the other 4 screws out and we'll come back. Alright, y'all. It came with screws. Thank God. It came from screws from Sony. And you got to use the original screws that we took out, which are these to go to the bracket. Right here. We got to put them in the back and the end of these. So anyway, we're going to cut these open. Carefully, these things are sharp. So we're going to put one in for now. We ain't going to bore y'all with all that hunky-dory stuff. But I'm missing a flathead. I have to go get a flathead out of the garage. And it's cold as a puppy dog out there. We'll put all 4 of them in there. What the heck? They all fell out of the bag in the box. Thank goodness. So I'll go outside and get a flathead. I'm sure glad they came with something. Woo! I was sweating there, y'all. We'll go ahead and put them in. You know, I believe I have a screwdriver on my Leatherman. Might save me a trip. And these got heat. This got Loctite on it in them, so that's a good thing. So when you're jamming on the TV with a movie or something, it won't come rattling off the wall. And we'll take the Leatherman, get the screwdriver out. This is a Marine's favorite tool. My cameraman behind me is my nephew. He just got home from Okinawa. When'd you get home, Harry?
May 29th.
May 29th.
2024.
Okay, this Leatherman screwdriver. Whoa. May 29th, 2024?
Yep.
Good to go. Yeah, that's working. But we're still going to go get a screwdriver. Because this is a bigger diameter. But anyway, we've got these screwed in here. So we'll be right. Well, I'm going to screw this in. I'll go get a big screwdriver. Because I don't want to take a chance of messing these threads up. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we're back again. We're going to have to use, I like spacers. Here's the old TV. I'm going to show you. And there's a Ruby or a helper. And my nephew, Harry, my Marine. Okay. But see, we got spacers in there. See behind, yeah. I like the spacers. They keep it off the TV, the brackets off the TV, so it won't be any, I just like spacers. Get it far off the wall as I can. Okay, so what we're going to use here is a 5mm spacer and a 22mm spacer. So here we go, it's 2. And these little screws, screws that came out of the back of the TV will not work in these. They're just too big. It needs like a like a M6, what they call it, by 35 is what we're going to use. So, and it calls for a washer too. So we're going to try that. Do it. I guess it's in the box. All right. Okay, we're going to try this. We'll put the space, the other space on top. And this is the way it goes. Right here. We want to go below that line. Well, we'll just go ahead and put our spacers on here right now. Okay, there's our spacer. Then we'll put another spacer with the washer, like it calls for in the Sanus instructions. And there's a rough side on these washers and a smooth side. You want to use the smooth side. Put the screw on. All right. And we got this other spacer. So now we're going to take it like this. And we're going to put our spacer in here. Let's see what we want. We're going to go below that mark. Keep it below that. So, which hole would that be? That would be, let's go, yeah, that, okay, yeah. The closest one, that'll be this one. So we'll put the spacer here. And then we'll try that out, y'all. Get my screwdriver. All right, now let's get in there. Man, don't call me a liar. Oh, there's two different size screws. No wonder. I had a brain cramp, y'all. Excuse me. Must be the wrong screw there. Where is it? That works. So just want to hold my tongue right. Okay. It's some stuff inside there, y'all. So I'll just knock that out. Yep, okay, we got it. Okie dokie. Alright, and we said it was, which one did you say it was here?
What was it, M6?
Yeah, I'm just talking on that. Alright, here we go. Now we'll go see where we want to put it. I'm all hands today. Okay, that's the closest one. Any farther down? That don't look too bad, doesn't it?
Nah, that ain't bad.
That's good right there. Okay, we'll put our other washer there. We'll have to, we'll pull that puppy out and then get it started. Then it'll go down that square. Yep, and it's working. Woo! All right, now we'll do our next one. Make sure we got a washer. There's that other washer. Okay, there it is in the bag. The brain cramp. Because farther away from the wall, you got better wire management and all that good stuff. And you'll get better speaker sound too, y'all. So we got this one right here, just like the other one. Got a washer, smooth side of the washer. You can usually tell, yep, smooth side. All right. We'll go down here. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
All right. And we want to make sure that knob is on the outside so you can adjust it. think we're getting it. Oh yeah, she's coming there. She's getting there, y'all. All right, folks, we'll be back here in a minute. All right, y'all, we're putting the last mount on. We're putting our spacer. We already got our other spacer in there. Oh, let me put it all first. It's a smart thing to do. I never was a shark store in the shed. My dad always told me. Nah, just kidding, y'all.
He's still in the shed.
So we'll get this like this. Oh. And we'll bring this one out, this spacer. It's in there, Mom. Okay, we got it out. It's temporary. I could loosen that one up. Do that. Okay, where is it? Oh, here it is. Only had a brain. All right. We'll get this one started. And, how we doing, Harry? Going pretty good?
Yep.
And we counted down, we're down 11 holes. So we're in the 12th hole. Tight. Tight. And what happens is, y'all, I'm gonna get this tight. Double check all four. All right. Well, there we go. And these are, you pull them down, actually get the TV in place on these brackets right here. They mount up there on a lip, and you pull these down and they snap in place. Okay, we'll be back shortly when we hang it up on the wall. All right, y'all. Here you go, y'all. This right here. These are mysterious things in the package. There's no instruction nowadays. You gotta look everything up online or YouTube video. But I looked and researched. These are cable ties, or how do you say cable organization?
Cable management.
Cable management. But that's what they are. And you take the little there's a little clip right here, and it goes right here. Look, opens up. Just open that right there with your fingernail. Boom. And you can also put cables on this side too if you want. But we'll get to that point later on. All right, y'all. We got our mount on. We're getting ready to mount it up on the wall. And these come out away from the wall. And you can adjust them or whatever you want to do with them. And get locked in place. And you can adjust up and down. Swivel up and down also. All right, y'all. We'll be back shortly. Okay, y'all, we're back. And we got our there we go. We got our bracket up on there. And these are like you can pull down to release, to take back off. Or you can just fold them up when not in use. But she's up there. And this thing will, here, spread that thing out and show people how it spreads out. This thing will tilt either which way. And yeah, just pull it out from the wall, and this thing will pull up from the wall. You can pull more if you want. And there you go. That's pretty cool. All right, y'all. This is KU4SMC. Y'all, thanks for watching. Let me turn this headlight off. I'm not going to turn any TV on. Want to get any. Ooh, look at the ugly face. I don't want to cause any copyrights or nothing like that. This is Sony BRAVIA 3. Let's see here in the background. There you go. All right, y'all. Y'all take it easy now. God bless and simplify. Please subscribe. Hoorah.